Hi, Advanced Algebra 2 students. I am going to be posting each week that we're out for remote learning a video just like this one to kind of walk you through what we're going to do for this week. So this first video is going to show you how to log into our new Advanced Algebra 2 platform that we're going to be using for the week. And here we go. So when you log in to Advanced Algebra 2 in Google Classroom, and go to classwork, you're now going to see a new weekly schedule link along with the extra practice that we still had up there before for the unit that we're in. So the new weekly schedule link, if you click on that, it says instead of posting an assignment each day in Google Classroom to learn math from home for these next couple weeks, you're just going to click on this Advanced Algebra 2 schedule link below. Log in at least twice a week following the schedule that you got sent out by the school to access your math materials. So I'm going to post on this calendar each week. Make sure that you complete all of your assignments. I care about you guys so much. I miss you. I wish we were still in class together. But yeah, please email me or message me if you have any questions. So let's click on this link. And I have laid out for you pretty much everything that we're going to be doing for the rest of the school year, week by week. We have 8 weeks left. So this document is going to be holding all the learning activities, the lessons, all the links, very similar to what we had before we started remote learning in school. So for all the worksheets, if you don't have access to a printer, don't worry, just write the problems on a separate sheet of paper for yourself. And if you need any help with accessing any of these things, just let me know. Again, just check twice a week to keep updated with new material and assignments. So let me just walk you through the weeks and then I'll focus in on this week. So we have 8 weeks left. This week we're reviewing. Next week we're going to have a check test. Will just be 8 problems. And then we're going to reflect and have a survey on the test. That's week 2. Week 3, we'll start our last unit, Intro to Unit 8, Sequences and Series. That's our last unit, really important unit for calculus. So in week 3, we'll start it. Week 4, we'll continue the same sequences unit and have a quiz. Week 5, we'll talk about series, just the sum of all of the terms in a sequence. And then week 6, we'll review and test. Week 7, we'll review for finals, and week 8, we'll have finals. So as of right now, school is only remote learning through April. So when we come back, if we come back in May, we'll review and test on sequences and series unit 8. Finals review, we'll do a lot of catch up here, and then we'll have finals. So that's the whole 8-week plan for remote learning and going back to school if we go back. Let's focus in on this week. So this week is week 1 of our remote learning after spring break. Welcome back. We're going to review. So hopefully you've already clicked on watch this welcome video. That's where you got this video. You're going to complete the following worksheets. So you click on each worksheet and you can choose to print it out or just write them on a separate sheet of paper. And then check your solutions with each. So the 4 stations will help you with the test that we'll have in week 2 next week. Let me give you a little preview to that. For the first station, modeling, you'll have 3 questions on modeling, 3. The second station, solving, you will have 4 questions on solving. 4 questions. 1 question on graphing with key features, 1 question on inverses. So actually that comes out to 8 questions. We'll have an 8-question test, 3, 4, 1, and 1 question. There's optional extra review if you feel like you want some more practice with any of the sequence or the exponentials and logs material for next week's test. And if you also need extra help with any of these things during this week, sign up for our video chat office hour with me by clicking here. So let's click here. This is our first week of trying some one-on-one tutoring if you feel like you need it. Obviously, if you have a question that you think can be answered through remind message or email, then just message me anytime like we've been doing in the past. But if you feel like you have a question that you need help with face-to-face, well, face-to-face through webcam, then I will invite you to a Google meeting. So let's say you are available, my 5th period people, 9:15 to 9:30. There's 2 slots open just in case people want to meet with a partner. You just write your name in there. Don't delete anybody's names, that's not nice. If you want to add your name anywhere, if you feel like you are only available at 9:45 and all 6 slots are open, feel free to add a 7th spot for yourself. Do not add yourself to a 2nd spot on the individual sessions, though. Those are meant for individual time. If you have any time slots, or if all of these time slots are not available at all and you want to meet with me, just email me and we'll figure something out. Okay. So the schedule will help you stay up to date, and then the tutoring, click here if you feel like you need some extra help. One more thing before I let you go. If you don't have a graphing calculator, the TI, I downloaded this through the link that I sent through Remind. TI offers a graphing calculator for free right now that you can just download to your Chromebooks. So feel free. It does everything from graphing to, I was graphing logs the other day, everything that a graphing calculator does. So if you need that link again, just let me know. That's all I have. If you have any questions or concerns or anything, feel free to let me know. Again, I miss you guys, and I hope you're doing well.